Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this is my work. Now, actually I made this edgeline image by Adobe Photoshop from this image. This is my work, and I'm a still photographer and I do commercial, but this shot is real long time ago. But anyways, I want to try on this picture to make some creative image, different image. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna add the layer here, then I'm gonna play around with the watercolor brush here on Fresco. This one. Okay, now let's try on something. I'm gonna try the watercolor wash flat on this. And color wise, I'm gonna use these colors from this orange to a blue here, then brown on leaves. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this one down. I just barely see the image, and also I'm gonna turn this one on, then change the blend mode to darken. Oops, it's a little bit moved or something, I don't know. Well, in that case, just make this image to make it a little bigger size. Pretty much, right? Okay, now start from here. Well, I want to try on watercolor to use it here. It's not just trace, I just gonna change some different image. I don't know what's gonna be. Okay, now put all the water, make the brush, all the water. That's interesting. And take some, oops. Okay, just intuition, I do something. Well, I'm gonna add another layer to these leaves. And also another layer for this stone, well, slate, I would say. This is cool slate. I'm going to change the brush to more yellowish. Then shadow side, I'm going to go a little bit darker. Then also I'm going to change the brush. Oh well, I'm going to dark side a little bit bigger brush. Then I'm going to add with a small one. Round detail. Okay. Now, but I'm gonna dry this. Okay, I used both layers for leaves. So this one is stone, this slate. It's too dark. Okay, now let's see it. Now I'm gonna put the real dark but reddish brown to these leaves. Maybe interesting for red. It's gonna mix up anyways. Then again, I'm going to go with the blue. Change brush. Just water. Okay, almost. let's take to play around with the blend mode. Let's see what's nothing on this. Just the image is just the image. Normal. Okay, go normal, only maybe this much. I'm gonna make the mask on this 30% or so. Now change this pencil image, dark image, going down a little bit, about 60% of the tone line. Okay, now what's this? This is leaves. Okay, go check. Yeah, linear light. Yeah, red goes on. Let me see. Okay, now background blue and the red stuff. This was a vivid light last time. Oh no, this is the leaves. Now I'm going to try this. So just leave it color burn. Then now slate, it's color burn now. That's yellowish. Linear burn, too much. Sharp. Don't know. Well, I'm gonna, okay. First of all, go back to normal, opacity and normal. Then I'm gonna duplicate layer, then turn, one is just turn it off, then just keep it. Then this one, create empty mask, of course convert, then invert mask. Now I'm going to try this one on with what kind of brush? Let's see. Dry media. I said I don't, but soft chalk maybe. Well, let's try it. Then I change the color, no, color burn to different darker color or okay, leave it linear burn for this background watercolor type. Then this leaves, that was a vivid light, but let's change to okay, leave it put this on a soft light, then glasses are going to be coming up. But when you take this one to the vivid light, then leaves are the subject now, main subject. It depends on the glass and the leaves. Yeah, which one is gonna be that dominant subject. Now next, this one is slate, yellow slate, darken. This is multiply. Darken. Multiply goes to darker, but linear burn. That's, I think I like linear burn. Linear burn. Yeah. Then let me see the leaves again. Oh, go back to linear burn for slate, and then this leaves, then going to pin light. Yeah, I still like this red. I may add more red in it. Well, linear light. Then let's see, this opacity is gonna be this much for the lines, and this one is leaves. Then back color, slate. This one has a image in it, so this is it for today, I think. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you guys gotta get some kind of idea of play around with the Fresco watercolor. Well, see you next time, and have a nice day. Thank you again. Bye now. Ciao.